guys, I think I need the doctors because, basically I did a DNA thing to see if I've got a cold, and they said I didn't have a cold, but I have something called, Michael Jackson fever, where, basically, it doesn't happen that often, but, it basically when I sneeze, oh god. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's what happens. So guys, hope you guys don't get this condition. And yeah, I'll see you later. Goodbye.